In this episode, we'll model the body of the electrical cabinet. Start by using the Extrusion tool to create a rectangle. Align each side of the rectangle to the corresponding reference planes, and make sure to lock all 4 sides. To verify that everything is properly locked, select a random edge of the rectangle. You should see 4 padlocks, indicating that all sides are constrained. According to the front image, the body height is 2100 millimeters from the top of the base. To set this up, create a new reference plane from the base by holding the Control key, hovering over the existing plane, and dragging it upward. Align the top of the body to this new plane and lock it. Then, use the Dimension tool to measure the distance from the base to the new plane and create a new parameter for the cabinet body height. The Parameter Properties window will appear. Name the new parameter Body Panel Height. The discipline and type of parameter fields will automatically populate based on your measurement type. Edit the tooltip to say, Parameter controls the height of the electrical cabinet body, then click OK. Go to Family Types, set this value to 2100 millimeters, and the body is done. Next, we'll add 2 doors, one on each side. In the front view, create 2 new reference planes starting from the left edge. Use the Dimension tool to measure the spacing. If the dimension values appear too large, adjust the view scale at the bottom, example to 110 or 15, to make the numbers more manageable and the lines thinner. Set the dimensions to 230 millimeters, then lock them by selecting the dimension lines and clicking the padlock icons. Copy another reference plane from the top and place it 100 millimeters below. Lock this dimension. Using the Extrusion tool, create 2 new rectangles by placing each corner at the intersections of the reference planes. If Revit doesn't automatically snap to the intersection points, draw the rectangles roughly outside the area first, then align their edges to the planes manually. Go to the reference level view. Create a new reference plane, then set the door thickness to 30 millimeters. Align the doors to the new plane, and make sure to lock the alignment. A critical step is to test the parametric behavior of the new elements. Go to Family Types, change the cabinet body height slightly, and observe whether the doors resize accordingly. If they do, your constraints and parameters are working correctly, and you're ready to move forward.